How's it going, everyone? This clip you're watching now is 2 days after the video that I filmed. When I filmed this, I filmed it with my phone upright and not to the side. So it's yeah, so you won't get the full screen if you're watching this on your TV or you have your phone to the side. Do apologise for that, guys. I've had other stuff on my mind. And hopefully I won't do it next time. Alright guys, see you next time. How's it going, everyone? Today I decided I'm going to go get a round baler for myself. So most of you guys know I work on a farm, got what, 4,000-6,000 hectares, bunch of equipment. I'm slowly getting the equipment I need to start my own farm, and I'm got a bunch of small balers and equipment and all that I have to give equipment to on one day. But yeah, today I'm going and go and get a baler, so let's get to it. They're coming. Whoop. Yep. They're going. Here we are, guys, got the baler. I didn't do a lot of filming because I was with other people, and just a bit weird to film when people watching you, and didn't want to film a lot at the farmer's place. But so I got the baler back. So it's a Krone KR 160. So this does string and string and wrap. Does 5-foot bales, or what I've been told. Does 5-foot bales. You can do 4, but they're a little bit squishy. But that's alright. It's a 1995 model, I'm pretty sure. So that one fairly good nick for being 28 years old. So you just got the wrap there, string goes up there, and then you put a spare wrap up there as well. But yeah, just got the chains all in fairly good condition for the age. I am going to put some tail lights on the back of this because I will be towing up and down the road a bit. But yeah, so I have to go through this and fix some stuff, adjust some stuff. So yeah, then got my tractor there. And yeah, so I need to go through it, fix a bunch of stuff, see what I need to order, and then I might do some videos on fixing and repairing this. So yeah, it didn't get a lot of footage for this video, but yeah, just didn't want to film while the guy was standing there, hold the phone out and film stuff, so that's right. And then a couple of auctions coming up, so you might get some footage of me going to some auctions in the future. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.